think we just got it done. That's a good morning. Absolutely perfect. Good morning. It is November 19th, and we're hunting in Macoupin County, Illinois. It is so quiet out. There's nothing making noise. We had a raccoon climb up a tree in front of us before it was daylight. Otherwise, it's about 20 degrees, but it's perfect. So let's sit here and hope something walks by. Good morning. Yeah, baby. I hope we got that on film. That was a really nice buck. He came in, and I thought he was going to walk right in front of me, and instead he bedded down. He looks like at least a 3.5-year-old. I hope I got that on film. I think I rocked him that second shot. The first shot I had a really tight angle, but fingers crossed. We just got ourselves a deer. Probably go back to the house, go eat some breakfast, and then come out and see what we got going on. But I think we just got it done. That's a good morning. Absolutely perfect. It is super calm. The leaves are falling off the trees. You really can't ask for anything better. So, good morning. Stay tuned, and hopefully we'll find that buck.
All right, we went and ate breakfast, and Dad and I are taking the four-wheelers out, and we're gonna go over where I shot the deer, and we'll start following a blood trail. Let's hope for good things. And right there is the big Hawk Sasquatch deer stand, so a really big, comfortable stand. That is where I was sitting, and we're standing about right where I shot the deer. So we're gonna get on the blood trail and see if we can find them. All right, so we've been following a blood trail and following it from the where we shot it. So we have some good blood here. So this deer looks like it's just following this trail. So we're just gonna keep following it up. Yep, blood right below us. And hopefully we got a deer on the other end. Looks like he's going right through here.
Here's more blood here.
Yep.
Big trail.
Big trail. All right. I'm glad to have my dad out here with me today. The big bad hunters are in pursuit.
Yep, definitely blood trail through here.
Yep. Okay. Well, guys, I think I see my deer. Let's get up here. Looks like a good one. Awesome. This is a good sign when you can see that. So I'm gonna hand the camera over to my dad and we're gonna go up to him. All right, guys. This is a good deer. Oh, he's stiff. Right there is our first really good buck from 9 Mile Farms. So Parents Farm, he's a good one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I felt like I just did that about 5 days ago. So what a tremendous end to the season. This guy came in, and the interesting part, he came in real early, just a perfect morning, and bedded down. And I finally had the sun get up where I could see, and I shot, and my first shot grazed his back, and as you can see in the video, he then came up perfectly to me broadside, and man, we got it done. We put just a perfect, it looks like a heart shot on him. He probably went, I don't know, 75 yards, 100 yards away. That's gonna be the first deer that we're gonna have hanging on our wall out here at the farm. Just a beautiful deer. So I really appreciate you guys watching. We got some work ahead of us now, but couldn't ask for a better morning. Opening morning, first season of shotgun, Illinois, hunting in Macoupin County. So thanks for watching. This is the only way to take a deer out. We were able to take the four-wheeler pretty close to it. Gutted it in the creek, and now we can take it back up to the barn, call it good.